Today I want to make you introduction of the KFBIO standard cover slipper, which you can use both for standard cover slipping, and also you can separate it as standard and cover slipper separately. Okay. So let's explore detail of the standard cover slipper. We can put the rack inside. You see, you can put it yourself. Then let's move into it. It will run automatically. So you open it, then it will run automatically, right? Because we used for demonstration, so all the protocol will be very short. We will do very some short time. So now the standing step by step. So after 10 seconds, it will go to the next procedure. So yeah, after finish all the procedures, it will go to cover slipping. Usually you can define the protocols yourself. Now this is the set protocol. Each protocol make it in 10 seconds, but usually actuals, you can make the protocols yourself as you wish. Now you can see we finished the standing protocol. It'll go to the cover slipping. Now you can see. Now you can see it move gradually here, right? This is an independent cover slipper, but as you wish, you can do it as an independent cover slipper. It doesn't have to work together with the stainer. Now you can see it's do the cover slipping. It's glass cover slipping. So you can see actually we just banded these two machines together, but you want to do it alone, it can still be done. Yeah, this is the process.